Welcome to Arsonpos. This is a new video from What and Where Decor Material series. Today we are talking about something called ironmongery or hardware. Ironmongery or hardware are items made of metal in many cases. Metal means steel or aluminum, and they are used on the joinery items like doors, wardrobes, cabinets. So in some cases they are handles, in some cases they are hinges. For example, I brought you a few examples of this ironmongery. We all know this door handle. This is normal door handle, and of course there are so many ways to install these door handles into the door. You can see here that flange. It has holes. So what you do is normally we fix this flange into the door, and then this little cap, it's covering these hinges. So you can use the handle in a very elegant way. These handles have endless shapes, designs, and some of them are actually filled. It's like full steel, so it's like a bit heavy and durable. And some of them, like this sample, is like hollow steel. It's empty from inside. It's hollow tube. So this is affecting the price of the item and affecting of course the quality of the item. So there are so many designs and ways, but in general, this is the methodology of installing this item. Another item is the hinge. I'm not talking about the normal hinge. I'm talking about, for example, this one. It's called the SOS hinge, SOS hinge. This hinge is normally used in the concealed doors, where the door is like flush with the surrounding panels. So you don't want to see any visible hinges. Like the normal hinges, you can see it from the back side of the door. You can see normal hinge. This hinge is concealed. You cannot see the hinge either from inside or from outside. So it's very useful to be used in cases you want to have concealed hinges, not visible. These hinges do come in so many sizes. This is small size. There are bigger sizes, much bigger sizes, and many of them they come like fire rated, non-fire rated. It depends on the requirement of the use. So this is called the SOS hinge, SOS hinge. Other item from the ironmongery or hardware, for example, this one. This is very small, very tiny leg. It is used to be installed on the bottom of the furniture. But if you can see here, that little teeth here, this teeth is actually the one that is installed into the wooden piece, and then you can adjust the height of the leg. So this is very small item, but it's very effective and very useful in adjusting the height, the level of the cabinet. In some cases, cabinet or chair or desk, it's like you can see that it's shaking, it's moving. So in order to prevent this kind of leg is used to adjust the height up and down. This piece with teeth is installed into the wood, and this one is used to adjust the height. Another quick example is the KD fitting. This KD fitting is used to assemble the kitchens, like the joinery, like the cabinet kitchens. In the cabinet kitchens, you can put this piece in one part, and this piece you can put it in another part, and then you can join these pieces together like this. So it's never removed. The reason you use this one instead of putting screws is that this one, it can be reused. You can remove this by unlocking this one, and you can use it, you can dismantle it and you can use it somewhere else. Another example of accessories, of furniture accessories, is this one. This is the cable control box. It has brush here, so the cable will go from here, the cable will go all the way down, and in the same time you don't see where this cable is going. So it's very elegant and very nice finishing of this cable management box. So this one is normally installed on top of the desks. Other item of the what we call ironmongery or accessories, door accessories, is this rubber. These rubber sections, these different rubber sections you can see here, different rubber sections are used in the doors, on the seal of the door, on the side of the door, to let the door close smoothly. So when you close the door, it doesn't crack. So it closes with less sound, and it works as acoustic proof also. It's like it's preventing some noise from both sides of the door. So there are so many sections and so many uses for this. You can see the sections like this, and I have more videos showing this. You can have a look on it also. So many sections, so many colors. It fits all the uses of the doors. This was a very brief introduction to the ironmongery and hardware world. I hope that it was useful for you, and I thank you for watching this video, and I thank you for coming back again later for more videos of what and where decor material. Thank you very much.